What's going on, everybody? Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you the new community user interface as well as the new gamification feature. Why would you want to use an engagement feature? Well, if you have people engaging in your group, it really helps them to be motivated to see what other people are doing. For example, you sold a course and you're walking people through an 8-week coaching program, for example, and people have to deliver homework, for example, or they have questions. Then a gamification feature comes in really handy because you can reward people for contributions. The more engagement there is in the community, the more results people will get because they get this feel for stuff is going on, things are happening in this community, everyone is contributing. Then they feel like, oh, I better contribute myself as well. I go communicate, I go consume the content, which will in the end get them better results. Also, it really can foster collaborations and create really amazing relationships within your community. And then your community will be known for exactly that. It also can enhance learning because should you choose to use the gamified elements, it will make it more interactive and people also get a sense of achievement and accomplishment if they get rewarded. So you can also implement rewards right now, which again makes it maybe a little bit competitive as well. It will also give you data insight as the owner of the group, what worked for my people, what didn't, what was more popular, and maybe if people are not engaging in a specific exercise, that means maybe the exercise was too difficult or things were just not really clear. And you as the group owner can then make a decision based on those interactions if you should remove that exercise or if you can keep it. So first you want to go ahead and go to settings in the bottom left and find labs on the left-hand side of the menu. And you can just turn on the new gamification feature right here. Then you want to go to memberships on the left, communities at the top, and select groups. Log into your group. So default colors have been changed and also fonts have been improved to make it much more readable. This is the old interface. And if I switch to the next tab, you can see this is the new interface. You can see here at the top, it's a different font and a bit of a different design. Also at the top, you can now see the leaderboard right here. On the left over here, this is our reading mode. You can turn it on to add more real estate and to make it less overwhelming for people so they can really be focused on just the content, what's been presented within the group. So at the top, then you can switch between discussions, learning, members, and leaderboard seamlessly. Now, this is how the whole leaderboard looks like. I am at level 1. There is 9 different levels to reach. And every time I'm commenting or I'm engaging in the group and somebody else likes my post or likes my comment, for example, I'm gaining 1 point. If you click here on the little information icon, you can see the explanation that this encourages users to produce quality content and interact with other members in their community. Here are the different levels explained. How many points do you need for each level? So as soon as I'm reaching 5 points, I'm upgrading to level 2. Here on my picture, you can see the little 1. That means I'm in level 1. When I hit 20 points, I will reach level 3 and so on and so forth. Scrolling further down, you can see the leaderboard of 7 days, who's been most engaging within the last 7 days. You can see the leaderboard for 30 days, and you can see the leaderboard of all times. Top left-hand side, we want to switch back to the normal mode. Remember, now we have the reading mode enabled so that I can show you the Add Rewards tab, which is just on the bottom left right here. Click on it. And amongst all the other details, subscriptions, branding, membership questions, and links, we have a new tab, which is called Gamification and Rewards. So click on the drop-down menu here. You can rename your levels if you wanted to name it, for example, silver, gold, and bronze or something like that. For now, we're just going to leave it at level 1. Scroll further down to rewards, add a reward. And here we can type our rewards, for example, win $500 at level 9, for example, right? Then type a description. What do people need to do in order to achieve this goal? And hit save. Now you can see the reward showing up here, but you can keep going and implement more rewards if you wish so. One other really cool reward which pops to mind is if you're running an affiliate program, for example, you could reward people who are, for example, referring 10 customers to you. Hey, if you hit that milestone of 10 customers, you will get an extra bonus. Or if you're sending 12 customers or 20 customers, you will get a free Tesla or something like that. I hope you like this new feature. And remember, you will also differentiate yourself and have that competitive advantage over other platforms who don't have these features. I will see you in the next video.